Let's get started exploring the schedule of classes. First, log into LancerPoint from the PCC website, then locate the tile that says Registration and click on Search Classes. The first thing you will need to do is select which term you want to view classes for. Make sure you're looking at the most current year and term. Classes can be found by selecting various criteria, such as subject, instructor, or meet times. Once you're ready, click on the search button to get started. The results on the next page can be a little overwhelming, so we'll break it down for you. The first thing to take note of for each course is the title, followed by the course prerequisites, if any are required. Prerequisites are courses that need to be completed before a student may enroll in this course. Next, you will see a brief course description, concluding with total hours of lecture, followed by transfer credit status, which indicates whether UC or Cal State schools will give credit for completing this course. The course grade mode indicates what type of grading system is used for credit courses. In many courses, you will receive a letter grade, but there may be an option for a course audit or a pass/no-pass grade. The status box indicates whether the course is open, closed, or waitlisted. Students who enroll in a waitlisted course will receive an email notification if a space becomes available in that class. The boxes for type and meet indicate what type of instruction this class uses. This may be a lecture class with a lab, an online lecture class, an in-person lecture class, a hybrid course, or some other form of instruction. Click on either type or meet, and a window will pop up with a list of scheduled type codes and descriptions. The course reference number, or CRN, is the number you will use to add the course as you create your schedule. Make a note of this number exactly as it appears. Click on CRN to find important deadlines for the class, like the last day to drop without a W or to get reimbursed for financial aid. The unit box indicates how many hours of instruction the course meets for weekly. Those with higher unit numbers will generally be larger course loads that require more hours of study time. The meeting time indicates when instruction is held. Confirm that the days and times match your availability before adding a course. If you miss too many class meetings, your instructor may drop you from the class for non-attendance. Some courses do not have a meeting time listed. Instead, you'll see an estimated weekly workload to help you plan your time accordingly. This is an asynchronous course, which we'll talk more about in a few moments. The location box tells you where the class will meet. You could see a building and room number for classes that meet in person on PCC's main campus or one of PCC's satellite campuses. You may also see online async. This is a class with no designated meeting time. We refer to this as asynchronous. If you enroll in an asynchronous course, you'll get more information about accessing lecture recordings and other materials when you get started. Generally, you can still interact with instructors and classmates on Canvas, but this course will not have a mandatory meeting time that conflicts with other classes. The next three boxes are labeled CAP, ACT, and REM. CAP indicates the course capacity, or how many students can enroll in the course. ACT shows you how many positions are already filled, and REM shows you how many seats are remaining. The instructor section simply shows you who will be teaching this course, while the date box indicates what date the course starts and ends. Finally, the weeks box indicates the course duration. Many courses run 16 weeks during the main semester, but there are also 8-week courses referred to as first session and second session, and there are other variations as well, so be sure to check this box to confirm the course duration. One last thing. Don't forget to check the footnotes for additional information. The footnotes might list restrictions, like courses that are specific to certain programs. Others might list a support component that you must take at the same time as this course. When enrolling in these courses, make sure you match the CRN of the course with the corresponding CRN of the support component as it appears in the schedule of classes. Remember, a footnote only applies to the CRN listed directly above it. You are now ready to add courses using the CRNs that you've selected.